Babe, I'm pregnant. Hello. I am looking kind of similar to a video that I either already posted or I'm going to be posting. It's going to be on this hairstyle that I have a hate and love relationship with because it's cute and all, but my scalp is on fire. I wanted to do a video that was chill, that was fun. I'm the type of girl who loves like answering questionnaires, like the fun icebreaker questions. I like answering a lot of questions. I like asking a lot of questions. Questions are just interesting to me because they let me know more about a person. So I feel like, hey, why not do that? I really need to take my rubber band style out because I literally just did it earlier today, but it hurt so bad. I did the rubber bands way too tight, so I just need to, I can't even talk. Like I'm just going a little crazy because my head is hurting so bad. If you do rubber band hairstyles, don't make the rubber bands super tight because your scalp will be crying later on. I'm a little low energy because it is like 11 something at night and I would never ever film a video this late usually. Anyways, time for some fun icebreaker questions. And then if you want to answer these questions along with me, then you can do that. So don't mind me, I'm just going to be taking down my hair while I'm answering these questions. I was going to try to look cute throughout the whole video, but no, I can't. Very carefully, I like to cut these out. Oh, this is going to feel so good. If you could be any animal, what would it be and why? That's a great question. Not really, that's actually a terrible question. What would you say I could be?
A chipmunk.
A chipmunk? That's rude.
They're cute. They're always cute.
Yeah. I would definitely look like a chipmunk. I have the cheeks and the teeth. What is one of the things you would put on your bucket list? I would love to sell clothes at some point in my life. I guess I would say that I would want to face my fear of like traveling outside of the country. My main fear is traveling on a flight that is very long. So maybe if I could do it, it won't be as bad, or maybe it would. I don't know. It's 12 a.m. Like, that's late for me, okay? That's pretty late. Your girl is an old granny. What is your favorite summer activity? My favorite summer activity is definitely going to the park and like riding bikes. I love riding bikes. Having a picnic. I just love being out in nature. Like going hiking. All this is making me so excited for the summer, although the summer is so like, this is the craziest to think like, I don't know how the summer's gonna be. We all don't know how the summer's gonna happen. I hope you can't hear this air. I feel like it may be picking it up. Why are you looking at me like that? So yeah, that's just what I'm really mostly looking forward to. Because I just love nature, you know? I'm a nature gal. If a movie was made of your life, what genre would it be? Who would play you? That's a cool question. Probably freaking a drama.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. My life is pretty all over the place. Who would play me? I don't know who would play me. Who's similar? Who's an actress that's like, I don't know if I can think of that one. Ooh, my head is feeling so much better though already. What is your dream job? My dream job is to be doing something that makes me happy and fulfilled. Honestly, my dream job is to be an entrepreneur pretty much. That is my dream job. If I could achieve that and do it well, that will make me very happy. Especially, like I said, if I'm selling something that I created or like a piece of clothing or something like that, I would love that because that's something that I really wanted to do. And that's the reason why I took a break from college and everything like that to pursue that. So hopefully, you know, we can get something rolling this year or so. Are you a morning person or a night person? I would say I'm a morning person. Excuse me. What are you shaking your head for? You think I'm a night person other than a morning person? It doesn't say a super early morning person. It just says a morning person. And I like, my time to get up is around like 7:30, 8. And that is pretty early to some, okay? I'm pretty sure that's morning. So thank you very much. My boyfriend doesn't agree just because I don't like to get up at some absurd time like 5 a.m. in the morning and 6. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is making videos, of course, dancing. I used to draw, but I kind of don't do that anymore, which is really sad. Talking, I could do a lot of that. Is that a hobby? I don't know. I love creating. Creating is a hobby. Whether it's creating a hairstyle, creating a DIY thing, like a craft. What is one thing that annoys you the most? Judgmental people. Like, I really don't have time for people who are like judgy. And judgy in a way where it's like they act like they're so perfect. Like people online who like to talk about other people, but they're not perfect. And it's just like, how dare you talk about somebody who may drink or something? Like, you know, like I feel like certain things, like if I came out and said, hey guys, I like to have a drink or something, or I do this, then there would be people in the comment section like, oh, you blah blah blah, and it's just like, excuse me, sure you've done things I mean, not drinking, I mean drinking is not terrible, but you know what I mean. Like, I just don't like people that are judgmental, because nobody in this world is perfect, so therefore who are you to judge, you know? So I think that's one of my pet peeves. I have a lot, but we're not gonna go there. Oh my gosh, guess what, babe? It's April 1st. Babe, I'm pregnant. I better stop saying that out loud. That even sounded weird saying. Babe.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm not playing though.
Whatever, man.
How am I gonna say it's April 1st? Dang it, I should have reminded you.
April Fools.
Huh?
April Fools.
April Fools. The joke's on you because it's actually, I'm not actually kidding. Okay, let me just get it. Are we finally done? Oh my gosh. Sorry if this is boring. I don't even know if anybody's watching at this point. But, alright, let's zoom through the rest of these questions. We're just gonna zoom through real quick, okay? What is the strangest things you ever eaten? Probably frog. What is one of your weird quirks? Just one? What are one of my weird quirks, babe?
You don't eat anything out, period.
Oh yeah, I don't eat out in public. Like, I don't eat at restaurants. That is pretty weird.
Yeah,
now that I say that out loud.
At all.
Yeah, like at all. Like, I don't eat at fast food restaurants. I don't eat at restaurants. Like, I don't eat pretty much anything that was prepared by anyone else. I don't trust it because I have a lot of dietary restrictions, and I'm also allergic to peanuts and tree nuts, and I just have anxieties about like cross-contamination and just stuff like that. So I literally only feel comfortable eating the things that I have prepared myself, which is kind of pretty weird because I feel like everybody in the entire world like eats out, you know? That's just the thing. Describe yourself in 3 words. Weird.
Creative.
Oh yeah, duh. Creative.
Creative, weird, and...
Creative, weird, and maybe ambitious or hardworking or something like that.
Definitely ambitious.
Okay, so I guess I'll say ambitious, weird, creative, but also like really care about helping people. That did not make any sense. Okay, let's move on. If you could trade lives with anyone for a day, who would it be and why? Ooh. You know what? I would love to trade lives with this one over here. My camera died. Ugh. And I just realized you can hear your click, click, vibrate.
Yeah. I know,
it's okay. If you guys hear that, that's because my boyfriend's over here going ham on the freaking Xbox. But yeah, I would want to know what it feels like to be my boyfriend because he always says how he thinks he's healthier than me. That's so weird because we're weird. We like to like compare who's like healthiest. Like who does that? Who argues about who's healthiest? He always thinks that he eats better and drinks more water than I do and stuff.
That's no question.
Yeah. So I just want to feel how it's like to be in your body, and then how it feels to like go through your life. Like go to work, why you feel that drive for wanting to drive like a maniac like you do. And then obviously just with you being a guy and all, that'll be fun to like have, you know, that experience.
Yeah.
It was like, woo!
There you go.
What is the first thing you do when you get up in the morning? Well, lately I've been checking my phone. I'm guilty. And respond to some comments or do, you know, quick stuff. And then I'll get up, I'll make the bed, and then I'll go brush my teeth and wash my face and start the day. What is your favorite joke? Oh yeah. What do you call a fake noodle, babe? An imposter.
Oh yeah, that's great.
But
Oh, you told me that before, I just couldn't remember.
Yeah. You could get yourself anything, what would you get? Ooh, clothes. I would just get myself a whole bunch of clothes. That's what I really miss. Like, I can't wait to the point to where I can. Like, I don't like splurging on things. I can care less about money. But the only thing that makes me, like, excited about, you know, becoming successful one day is just being able to go and buy however amount of clothes I want to buy and, like, actually spark my passion of fashion again, because I feel like since I'm like restricted because of money wise and stuff like that, I can't like go and explore and buy stuff anymore like I used to, and therefore that's why I haven't really like paid attention to my passion for fashion. We're almost finished. Okay, describe the perfect kiss in 3 words. Ooh, juicy, passionate, vulnerable. Maybe that doesn't make any sense, but I feel like you have to like let yourself go when you're kissing, because then if you like thinking about it, then it's gonna be like not genuine. But if you let yourself go and like let yourself like just be in the moment, then it's natural, you know? Last question. Oh my goodness, what is my biggest addiction? Yeah, you know who I'm looking at. Without being cheesy. Oh, probably those chocolates. If for the 1% of people who watch until this, like literally I don't even know what this video is, but at this point I don't care. I'm still gonna post it because, you know, Gary Vee says to just post stuff. So I'm just gonna post stuff and just see how it goes. And if this goes terribly wrong, then I just know to never post a video like this again. But, you know, you never know. So, if you did watch until the end, I would definitely like to know. Let me know by commenting 3 purple hearts. Make sure you comment 3 purple hearts so I know that's our like code for like you a real one. And then I'm gonna flood you with love and appreciation, because man, I really appreciate, like, you a real one if you watched until the end of this long, and I don't know what type of video this was. So yeah, see you in my next video. It won't be like this, because this was just a trial video to see. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, good night. Happy April 1st, but by this time it won't be April 1st. I don't really know what I'm saying anymore, and I'm too tired to get up and turn off the camera, so. Babe, you wanna do the honors? Thanks, babe. You actually really gonna cut it off?